Hello everyone, today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Scoro, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, Unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, Business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, Enterprise plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Scoro is known for its focus on comprehensive business management. It offers features such as project management, quoting and budgeting, sales and CRM, resource planning, retainers, time tracking, reporting and dashboard, invoicing, cost management, and collaboration. Scoro also offers integrations with other platforms. In terms of pricing, Scoro offers a monthly essential plan at $28 for a single system. The second monthly standard plan is priced at $42 for managing projects. The third, Pro plan, is priced at $71 for big organizations. For organizations requiring advanced control, an ultimate plan with custom pricing is available. In summary, both ClickUp and Scoro offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if you need a comprehensive business management solution that includes project management alongside CRM, billing, and reporting capabilities, Scoro could be the ideal solution for your needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.